Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing very well. So this video is a little bit different compared to my previous content on this channel. Now, if you've seen my MCQ series, you would know that there have been a lot of questions related to vitamins. So I thought it would be wise to put all about vitamins. So everything you need to know about vitamins, from its scientific name to its deficiency and diseases that are caused by a lack of vitamin. So every single thing you need to know about vitamins you can find in this video. So let's start it off. This is the table we will be working with. So all about vitamins. So before we get on with types of vitamins, I think it's necessary that we know what a vitamin is. And a vitamin is an organic molecule that is an essential micronutrient. Now, this is a very basic definition, but it will help you in the understanding of vitamins. So let's start off with the first vitamin. And the first vitamin is vitamin A. Vitamin A is known as retinol, and this is its scientific formula. Now, retinol can be found in carrots, mangoes, and fruits with carotenoids. So a good source of vitamin A can be found in carrots, mangoes, and just fruits with carotenoids. Now, if you are lacking vitamin A, what is the deficiency called? The deficiency called is night blindness and xerophthalmia. Vitamin A is essential for vision because it's an element of protein that absorbs light in the retina. So if you lack vitamin A, it can lead to night blindness, which is the abnormal dryness of the cornea. Let's move on to the next vitamin. The next vitamin is B1. Now B1 is known as thiamine. This is its chemical formula. Thiamine can be found in whole grains and proteins such as eggs, soybean, milk, etc. Now, if you lack vitamin B1, it can cause beriberi. Now, with this disease, there's two types, wet beriberi and dry beriberi, which affects heart and the circulatory system. Moving on to the next vitamin, vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 is known as riboflavin, and this is its chemical formula. Riboflavin can be found in nuts, proteins, meat, and milk. If you lack vitamin B2, you will most likely contract. Ileosis is where the corner of the mouth becomes inflamed, and so it can cause chappedness and bleeding. Next is vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is known as niacin or nicotinic acid. This is its chemical formula. Nicotinic acid can be found in yeast, milk, poultry, and green leafy vegetables. The deficiency related to lack of vitamin B3 is known as pellagra. Pellagra causes inflamed skin, diarrhea, and dementia. Let's move on to the next vitamin. Vitamin B5. Vitamin B5 is known as pantothenic acid, and this is its chemical formula. Pantothenic acid can be found in sweet potatoes, avocado, legumes, peanuts, and broccoli. A lack of pantothenic acid may cause insomnia. And insomnia is the sleep disorder, so this is where people have trouble sleeping at night and day. Next is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is known as pyridoxine, and this is its chemical formula. Pyridoxine can be found abundantly in peanuts, soybean, poultry, oats, banana, and milk. A lack of vitamin B6 may cause microcytosis anemia. Microcytosis anemia is also known as iron deficiency. Now, in this specific type of anemia, the red blood cells are smaller in size. Thus, there is a lack of oxygen being traveled to the tissue and organs. Moving on to the next vitamin, vitamin B7. Vitamin B7 is known as biotin, and this is its chemical formula. Biotin can be found in nuts, milk, cereal, salmon, and cauliflower. A lack of vitamin B7 can cause pink eye, rashes, and lethargy. Moving on to the next vitamin, vitamin B9. Vitamin B9 is known as folic acid, and this is its chemical formula. Folic acid can be found in beans, peanuts, milk, sunflower seeds, and dark green leafy vegetables. A lack of folic acid may cause anemia. And in this type of deficiency, there are fewer blood cells than normal. So when there is less folic acid present, there are fewer number of blood cells generated. Next is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is known as cyanocobalamin, and this is its chemical formula. Cyanocobalamin can be found in meat, fish, milk, cheese. A lack of vitamin B12 can cause pernicious anemia. And in this type of deficiency, the body cannot make healthy red blood cells. And let's move on to the next vitamin, which is vitamin C. Vitamin C is known as absorbic acid, and this is its chemical formula. Absorbic acid can be found in oranges, lemons, and in other citrus fruits. A lack of absorbic acid in the body can cause scurvy, and it can cause gum diseases and bleeding and abnormal bleeding of skin. Moving on to the next one, vitamin D. Vitamin D is known as calciferol. So calciferol can be found through sunlight, in cod liver oil, protein, and meats. A lack of vitamin D can cause rickets, which is mainly present in kids, and osteomalacia, which is in adults. So both rickets and osteomalacia, it refers to the softening or weakening of bones. Next, moving on to vitamin E. Now, vitamin E is known as tocopherol. Tocopherol can be found in pomegranate, almonds, peanuts, pumpkin. A lack of vitamin E can cause hemolytic anemia. Now, in this type of anemia, the red blood cells are more susceptible to ruptures. So this type of anemia causes a lot of red blood cells to rupture abnormally. So on to the next vitamin, vitamin K. Vitamin K is known as phyloquinone or menaquinones, and this can be found in spinach, broccoli, and mainly green leafy plants. A lack of vitamin K can cause VKDB, which is known as vitamin K deficiency bleeding. Vitamin K deficiency bleeding is where there is not enough vitamin K to form blood clots. And again, blood clots are necessary to stop unnecessary bleeding. So VKD can also happen internally, so there's internal bleeding. And unfortunately, without vitamin K, it cannot stop from blood clots forming and further stopping the bleeding. So this is an important vitamin as well. Now we need to know which of these vitamins are fat and water soluble. So again, water soluble is where the vitamin has the ability to dissolve in water. So the water soluble vitamins are B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12, and vitamin C. And now the remaining vitamin A, D, E, K are fat soluble. So the ones that I've highlighted in yellow are fat-soluble. Soluble vitamins are similar to oil as they do not dissolve in water. So these are abundant in high-fat food and absorbed into the bloodstream directly, whereas the ones that I've highlighted in blue are water-soluble vitamins. So I hope you find that the highlighting will help you understand and differentiate between which is a water-soluble vitamin and which is a fat-soluble vitamin. So please feel free to take a screenshot here or write it down into your notebooks, because in this table you will find the simplified information. So now, in the good old-fashioned MCQ way, we will learn a little bit more about vitamins. So 1. Who is regarded as the founder of vitamins? Now if you've seen my MCQ series, you would know that it is C. Funk. C. Funk is who is regarded as the founder of vitamin. On to the next question. Which vitamin was said to be the first one to be chemically produced? So here, was it vitamin A, B, C, or D? And through the mimicking and extraction of citrus fruits. Next question. Which scientists were awarded the Nobel Prize in 1929 for their contributions in the discovery of vitamins? Now, the study and discovery of the vitamins are accredited to Christian Eijkman and Frederick Gowland Hopkins. So these are the two scientists that were awarded the Nobel Prize in 1929 for their work on vitamins. Next question. Fat-soluble vitamins are both A and C. So to refresh your memory, the fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So out of these options, both vitamin A and D. Next question. Vitamin A was discovered in which year? So now, was it 1918, 1912, 1932, or 1925? So vitamin A was said to be discovered in 1918. Next question. In which of the following year was vitamin C founded? So vitamin C was discovered before vitamin A. And so the right answer here is 1912. Next question. Which vitamin is anti-cancerous? Is it vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K? So which vitamin is supposedly anti-cancerous? And the right answer here is vitamin A. On. Which vitamin is anti-infectious? Is it vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, or D? None. So the vitamin that is anti-infectious is known to be, again, vitamin A. Moving on. The study of vitamins is known as dendrology, osteology, or vitaminology, or D, none. So now if we just look at the name itself, this can be a little bit self-explanatory. So the answer is vitaminology. So the beauty vitamin is the beauty vitamin known as vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin D, or vitamin E? So the right answer here is vitamin E. So you might have noticed vitamin E is also used commercially. Next question. Bleeding gums is due to lack of which vitamin? Again, refer back to the table. Bleeding of gums is due to vitamin C. Deficiency caused by a lack of vitamin C is known as scurvy, and scurvy contributes to abnormal bleeding of gums. Next question. Vitamin word was derived from which language? So vitamin is a word derived from Latin. Next question. Which vitamin is lost when you peel a vegetable? So is it vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, or vitamin E? So the vitamin that is lost when you peel vegetables is vitamin C. Next question. Which food source does not provide any energy? Is it A, carbohydrate, B, protein, C, fats, or D, vitamins? So which food source does not provide any energy? And the right answer here is vitamins. Vitamins does not provide any energy. Instead, it's an organic molecule itself, which is an essential micronutrient. Whereas carbohydrates, proteins, and fats generate ATP. Moving on to the next. Where are the most of the vitamins stored in the human body? Is it the liver, lungs, pancreas, or small intestine? And the right answer here is liver. Liver stores vitamin A, D, E, K, and B12. Next question. Yeast is an important source of. So again, if you would like to refer back to the table, you would know that yeast is essential for vitamin B. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short and informative video on vitamins. And if you have found this video informative, please don't forget to like this video, comment down below anything new you have learned through this video. Share it with your family, friends, classmates so they can also know everything they need to know about vitamins, and subscribe to my channel if you liked my video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.